really run down.
Especially after we started scraping and using the power washer to try to get the paint off. It was looking really bad. There was a little bit of rotten wood on the porch, and yeah, it was looking pretty bad. So we went ahead and went for the windows. We were gonna do the windows and paint. Well, we got to start scraping and became
It was a mess.
So we thought, let's just see if we can get them back here and see about siding. And then Tim showed up here and we went through all that. They installed new windows the first time and a sliding door. They put up siding and wrapped all the posts and the fascias and the soffits. Well, they stayed pretty busy, the siding crew, yeah.
They were here a week.
Yeah, they're here a week. They were polite.
Yeah, I would recommend them. Tell them. Just look at our house. Everybody knew what our house looked like before, and they can see what it looks like now.
We've had a lot of people compliment us driving by and seeing the transformation our house went through. So
The look is awesome.
yeah, it looks great. I just can't believe how much better it looks.